Mahiya naman kayo, lalo sa mga anak natin na magmamana sa mga utang na ginawa ninyo nang binulsan nyo lang ang pera. So that this will not happen again, first, the DPWH will immediately submit to me a list of all flood control projects from every region that were started or completed in the last 3 years. The Regional Project Monitoring Committee shall examine that list of projects and give a report on those that have been failures, those that were not finished, and those that are alleged to be ghost projects. We will publish this list. Isa sa publiko natin ang listahang ito. Kaya ang publiko na saksi sa mga proyektong ito ay malayang suriin ang listahan.
I don't know what that will do kasi, again, ang mag-submit daw ng mga listahan ay ang DPWH. DPWH yung nagpagawa nun eh. Of course, they'll clean their cooked books. I don't know what that will actually do. Makakasuhan ba sila ng susunod na ombudsman o kaya naman ng PCGG or any accountability body? Kasi kung wala, edi parang wala rin itong sinasabi niya na pagpapublish ng accountability measure na ating ipinupush for many Filipinos and for the funds that was used para sa either eleksyon, sa kanilang negosasyon, negosyo at sarili. Sinabi niya ring the Philippines is still and always have been a friend to all and enemy to none. Bilang pagbibigay diin sa neutral na foreign policy ng Pilipinas, because many criticize the failure para magkaroon ng free trade zone between the Philippines and the United States with the 19% tariff rate na inangkas sa atin ng United States sa ating mga export papuntang US. Kumbaga, again, tataas ang presyo ng mga Filipino-made goods sa US, making it less attractive and therefore less competitive sa ibang mga similar na